Hello, Life Oils community. I am just hopping on here to let you know about some exciting things that I told you I teased earlier today. But it is true. BOGOs are back and they're starting on Tuesday. So I wanted to give you guys time to prepare for this and to get your wish list together and so that you are ready to go. So the BOGO box is going to be available on Tuesday, and we will of course be putting lots and lots more information in the group for this, so be sure to turn on your notifications for the group because you're going to want to see what we're posting about this. So with the whole box, you're going to get a bottle of TerraZyme, and I'll go through the box, but when you purchase the box, you're going to get a bottle of TerraZyme. This is such a great digestive enzyme. I love it. I take it like multiple times a day, pretty much with every meal, and then sometimes in between meals if I'm feeling a little meh, bloaty or just weird in my stomach, I'll take a TerraZyme then. So this the box has a theme this week, which is very cool, and so the theme is Rest and Digest, and so you're going to see this throughout our week. So the first BOGO, which will start on Wednesday, so the box on Tuesday, Wednesday we start with the individual BOGOs. The first one is by Vetiver Touch. You get Lavender Touch for free. If you have not used Vetiver, you are missing out, especially if you suffer with or struggle with anxious feelings or down thoughts. Vetiver is amazing, and the touch version is incredible because it cuts your wait time. I mean, there is no wait time. It's perfect. And Lavender Touch, because everybody needs lavender. It's just true. So that's Wednesday. Thursday, had to think through what the weeks are. By Spearmint. So this is, now we're switching into Digest. So that day one was Rest, this is Digest. By Spearmint, get MetaPWR free. If you have not tried MetaPWR, you are missing out. Legitimately not okay. And getting it free is a great way to go. I love this oil. I drink it every day. I use the entire MetaPWR system because my body needs extra support, and I know that my body needs extra support. And quite frankly, yours probably does too. So that is by Spearmint, get MetaPWR. Day 4, what have we done? Friday. Friday is this I'm so excited about. I am so excited about Serenity Softgels. If you haven't tried the Serenity Softgels, you are missing out. This is not Serenity oil in a soft gel. Keep that in mind. This is a completely different product that has some of the oils that are in Serenity, but not all of them. Amazing. It also has L-theanine. It's amazing. And you're going to get Cedarwood for free. Really cool, deep, earthy wood oil, beautiful for sleep. Cedarwood, lavender, Roman chamomile in a diffuser at night. Good night. You will sleep so soundly. And then Saturday's BOGO is, excited about this one too, is PV Assist, the probiotic, and get DigestZen Touch. So great. This is such a beautiful BOGO. It is, the PV Assist is that double encapsulated probiotic that has the prebiotic fiber in the outer capsule that breaks down in your stomach, and the probiotic enzymes in the inner capsule that then gets delivered to your small intestine, which is where we want our probiotics to be. We don't want our probiotics to be in the stomach. We want it to be with all of the other bacteria in our gut. We want to crowd out the bad gut or the bad bacteria with good bacteria. This is what a probiotic does in some of the simplest terms that I can think of. DigestZen Touch, because sometimes the belly is squidgy and sometimes we need on the go or just diluted DigestZen. Fantastic product. So We are, of course, going to be doing giveaways all week long. We are working on that still, so stay tuned. And I don't want to give it all away because that's no fun. But I look forward to seeing you guys all this week. Again, turn on your notifications for the group because you're going to want to learn about what all the BOGOs are. You're going to want to learn more information about them and also how to get entered into the drawings. All right, have a great day. I'm going to hop off. Bye.